Butterfly and moth have siphoning-type mouthpart. They are modified for sucking the juice from nectar. The proboscis which helps to sucking the juice from nectar is formed by apposition of two galleas. During the resting phase, proboscis is the highly coiled, is situated beneath the head. It is also called watch spring-like proboscis. While ingesting the food material, proboscis is uncoiled and inserted into the interior part of the flower to suck the nectar due to flow of hemolymph into it under high pressure. As per the scientific classification, butterfly falls under kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, subclass Pterygoda, order Lepidoptera, genus Rhaphicera. The word was butterflioge in Old English, which means butterfly in our English today. In the kingdom of Animalia, the butterfly is the most well-known insect. It's a non-harmful and human-friendly insect. The butterfly is a flying insect that belongs to the group of Lepidoptera. Moths are also defined in this group. In the Greek language, the word Lepidoptera belongs to scaly wings. Nearly 20,000 species of butterflies live in this world. Thousands of tiny scales are overlapped in rows that cover the wings of butterflies. The butterfly's life cycle is divided into 4 parts: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. First stage, egg. The first stage of the butterfly is the egg, from where a butterfly starts its life. The different types of eggs are small, round, oval, or cylindrical. The shape of the egg depends on the type of butterfly. The eggs of the butterfly are usually laid on the leaves of plants. Second stage, caterpillar, the larva. The larva is the next stage. It is also named a caterpillar. Butterfly larva is one which is called a caterpillar. The butterfly does not remain in this stage for a long time. An egg of the butterfly once hatched, the caterpillar will start to do his work to eat the leaf. So it is very important for mother butterflies to lay an egg on the leaf which caterpillars can eat. The third stage of the butterfly is the pupa. It is one of the coolest stages of butterfly life. Once the caterpillar is grown fully to its full length and weight, they form themselves into a pupa, also known as a chrysalis. Caterpillars change rapidly inside of the pupa, their remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. In this transformation, the caterpillar is transformed into a butterfly by changing tissue, limbs, and organs of the caterpillar. The pupa of butterflies is known as a chrysalis. A cocoon of silk covers the pupa. Fourth stage, adult reproductive stage. The fourth stage is the final stage of the butterfly, known as an adult butterfly. Once all the transformation is done inside the pupa, the adult stage is the final stage of the butterfly life cycle. In this stage, the larva gets more extensive and has a pair of giant wings for the fly. At this stage, some butterflies can eat nectar from flowers, but some cannot. Though butterflies have a unique design, they all have 6 legs and 3 main body parts, which is the head, the upper body part, thorax, chest, or middle body part, and abdomen, tail end, or last body part. Also, their bodies are combined with 2 antennae and an exoskeleton. The wings of the butterflies are attached to the thorax, and also they have a pair of antennae and compound eyes. All the butterflies have complete metamorphosis. To grow into an adult, they go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Every stage has different goals to achieve, like caterpillars need to eat a lot, and adults need to reproduce. Butterflies classification is done considering butterfly species and families. Scientifically, but they can also be divided based on their habitat. Now let us see some of the butterfly types based on their family. Hedilidae butterflies are commonly known as American moth butterflies. They are small, brown-like geometrid moths, and their abdomen is not clubbed with a long, slim abdomen. Hesperiidae butterflies are commonly known as skippers. They are small and darting flights, and they have clubbed on antennas hooked backwards. Lycaenidae butterflies are commonly known as blues, coppers, and hairstreaks. They are small, brightly colored, often have false heads with eye spots and small tails resembling antennae. Nymphalidae butterflies are commonly known as brush-footed or four-footed butterflies. It usually has reduced forelegs, so they appear four-legged and they are often bright in color. Papilionidae butterflies are commonly known as the swallowtail. It often has tails on wings. Caterpillars generate foul taste with osmeterium organ, pupa supported by a silk girdle. Pieridae butterflies are commonly known as whites and allies, and they are mostly white, yellow, or orange. Some serious pests of Brassica, pupa supported by a silk girdle. Rhyonidae butterflies are commonly known as metal-marked butterflies because they have a metallic spot on their wing. They are often conspicuously colored with black, orange, and blue. The life cycle of the butterfly may depend on the type of butterfly. It might take from a month to a whole year. Metamorphosis is the process where butterflies' life cycle depends on, but insects like butterflies and moths go through the complete metamorphosis process. Most adult butterflies drink nectar from the flower with the help of the tongue. It functions just like straw to suck the nectar. Some of the butterflies never go to flower. Instead, they have their food from tree sap, rotting animal matter, and other organic materials. Butterfly caterpillars grow by eating mainly plant leaves. The wings of the butterfly are transparent, but they are filled with multitude miniature scales, and these scales fill color to the wings. There are almost 20,000 various types of butterflies of various species. Butterflies use their feet to taste. The butterflies live only for a few weeks, as the lifespan of an adult butterfly on average is 3 to 4 weeks. The most common butterfly in the U.S. is the cabbage white butterfly. One of the largest butterflies is a giant swallowtail butterfly. Butterflies have a liquid diet. Butterflies actually have 4 wings, not 2. Butterfly wings help them against predators, either by defense mechanisms or frightening the predators with the color spectrum.